So back in my first year of college, I used to party like a rock star. Every single week I was going out to bars and got drunk very frequently. Of course, the next morning I had to deal with a severe hangover that kept me glued to my bed for at least half of the day. As the years went by, it was evident that waking up with a hangover was the most unproductive thing that I could do. Eventually, I realized that the way you start your day determines the quality of your day. In the same line, the quality of your days determines the quality of your life. In essence, your first hours of the day are the most important factor in the unfoldment of your life. That's why today I want to share with you my personal morning routine. I also want to share with you a couple of variations you can use so you can make your morning routine fit your particular needs. My morning routine starts the night before. If you want to have a productive morning routine, you need to wake up fully rested so you get the most benefits out of your morning practices. I made a video about how to dramatically improve the quality of your sleep. I will leave the link in the description below so you can check it out after watching this video. I also organize everything I will be using in my morning routine in its proper place before I go to bed. This will make my morning routine easier when I wake up because everything is already set up. My morning routine starts when I wake up between 5:30 and 6 a.m. First, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and do other bathroom related stuff. After that, I go immediately to my desk and practice the 3 steps of my morning routine. Each step lasts between 10 to 30 minutes. I'm not strict with the time I spend on each activity as long as I spend some time on it. The first step of my morning routine is what I refer to as personal connection. The morning is the quietest time of the day in which you can find the space you need to connect with yourself. Personal connection is all about looking inside of yourself instead of focusing on external things. Depending on how I'm feeling, I may do any of the following 3 practices in my personal connection time. The first option is meditating. What I like about meditation is that it creates a space where unrecognized emotions can pop up. It also creates a space where insights and ideas can show up. Meditation helps you become aware of your innermost thoughts in a healthy way. Meditation trains you to see thoughts as momentary events that don't have any real power over you. Thoughts are not good or bad, they simply are. You are the one who decides what meaning you'll give to them, and this is what makes you powerful. If you want to learn how to meditate, I made a video about it, so I will link it in the description below. My second option is practicing affirmations. See, your mind will believe whatever it repeats. Affirmations are a tool to program your mind in the exact way you want. If you're having trouble with your relationships, you can create affirmations to improve them. If you're having trouble with your self-confidence, you can also create positive affirmations for that. Affirmations help you transform the core beliefs that make up your mindset. This is really important since your beliefs are the foundation of every action you take, and your actions are what determine the results you'll get in life. If you want to improve your mindset, you can check out the Champions Mindset YouTube series that I created. It's a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to improve your mindset. I will leave the link to the Champions Mindset course in the description below. The third option to connect with yourself is practicing gratitude. Here I just close my eyes and give thanks for as many things as I can. Gratitude increases positive feelings, reduces depression, increases resiliency, and creates overall well-being. Now, let's move on to the second step, which I call personal growth. I spend anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes studying a course or reading a book. I strongly believe that you should learn something every single day in the morning. It's essential that what you study is aligned with your goals. Be aware that if what you study is not aligned with your goals, it can end up being another form of procrastination because it's not moving you forward. Let me give you an example. It's obvious that I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, and for that, I needed to learn YouTube related skills. Every single morning I study videos that teach how to grow on YouTube. I can also read a book that helps me improve my YouTube skills. My best advice is to clarify your goals. This will help you align your personal growth with them, so you don't waste a single minute studying things that aren't moving you in the direction you want. The third step of my morning routine is writing. Writing is the best way to organize your thinking. I might spend these final minutes of my morning routine writing out my goals. Even though I already have them written out, I will write them again, so they become fixed in my brain. If I don't want to write my goals, I can also plan my day. When I plan my day, I write the 4 most important things that I can do that will move me in the direction of my goals. On the other hand, I can also journal. Journaling is a useful method of clearing your negative emotions. Most of the stress we carry inside can easily be cleared by talking to someone about it or simply by writing it out on a piece of paper. If you struggle with stress, I recommend you writing every single thing you're feeling. You will literally feel as if something heavy was lifted from your body. I made a video about how to journal for mental health, so I will link it in the description below so you can check it out.